Hi guys, welcome to my channel, A Diamond a Trip, and today I'm so excited because I'm finally gonna declutter my closet. I'm gonna get rid of the old and unwanted stuff, and I'm going to do a literal closet transformation, and I'm so excited to share this all with you. I'm so excited to share this with you. So go ahead, stay tuned for the video. Like, comment, tell your friend to tell another friend to tell another friend that Arnella, yeah, she's on YouTube. And if you like this content, just share it with your friends and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video and commenting, and I'm half a big up to my subscribers them. Though you're little, I do appreciate it. Whoop whoop. Keep watching the video for my closet transformation tour, and yeah, enjoy. I literally feel like a fish out of water. I feel like one of those persons that's been going to that has decided to go to hedonism for the first time, and yeah, like go to a nude beach. So I literally feel like a fish out of water right now, and I feel like I'm just exposing myself. But this is how my closet looks pre-transformation. I'm not chic. I didn't touch anything. I didn't change anything. I didn't adjust anything. Like literally, the clothes are like that. This is how my clothes are stacked. But don't worry. As a part of my minimalism journey, I decided that I need to fix my closet. It needs to look better, and I also need to get rid of some stuff that I have in my closet that I have had for the longest while. I have them since Whoopi Kill Phillip. You understand me? That is how long I have these items, and I'm going to show you some of my most notable pieces for you to see, because I'm either gonna donate some of these items or I'm gonna trash them because they're just super old. So one of the oldest pieces that I have in my closet to this date is actually right here, and I'm gonna show you. It's a t-shirt, and I'm not sure if you all can see what's written on the shirt. Can you see that right there? If you can see, hopefully you can see what it marks. It actually, on the logo on the shirt, there is this logo. Not sure if you can see it. It says Yuritan Primary, not for school but for life we learn. So yeah, this is the oldest piece of item that I have in my closet. I'm not telling them my age. But for those who know my age, you know how old this shirt is, and it still fits. I've owned this shirt since grade 5 primary school. Now, past primary school, past high school, done university, lived a little bit of life. So you can tell how old this piece is, and I'm going to get rid of it. I actually do still wear this piece because it fits. So I actually still wear this shirt, and I really like how comfortable it is. But it fits perfectly. I actually like it, and I still wear it, which is, I feel so embarrassed to say, but it still fits, and I don't think the condition is bad. Well, you see a little stringly thing here, but this is the oldest item that I have in my closet. I think all of us do, or most of us have items in our closet that still has a tag. I have, let me go for this one here. I actually have this. It's a pajama set from Victoria's Secret. I got it last year. I got this last year. Yeah, last year December, so it's for Christmas. It still I've never worn it. I'm trying to find the tag actually, but I can't find a tag, interestingly. But it doesn't have a tag. So I guess this doesn't count as one of them. So, but I've never worn this, so I guess it still works. And it's like a pajama set. I don't know why I haven't worn it yet, but the bottom piece has a tag on it. The other item I'm going to talk about, this for sure has a tag on it. It's a black dress. Don't judge me on my style, but it's a black dress from Zara. And if it looks like a funeral dress, that's because I bought it for the purposes of wearing it to a funeral. And it still has its tag on it. The original price was $49. Listen, I didn't pay $49 for this dress. I saw it on sale on Zara's website, I think in 2017, and maybe late 2016, 2017. And I saw this dress and I was like, oh, I do need a funeral dress. And around that time, backstory, around that time, there were a little hush hush or a little gossip in the family saying that my grandpa was going to die soon. So I was like, okay, I found a dress. It looks okay, it looks cute, it's on sale. I'm gonna purchase it and then I'll just wear it to grandpa's funeral. But granddad, may his soul rest in peace, he actually died in 2018. That's so sad. So I never got to wear it because I didn't have my stuff with me. So I still have this. I plan on wearing it. So next funeral that I'm gonna go, I may possibly wear this dress. Should I talk about the most loved piece I have? One of my favorite piece. So I have, or should I talk about the worst purchase that I've made? I think I'm gonna leave the worst purchase for last. I don't know why, because that's an interesting story. But I'm gonna talk about, so next on the list is things that one item in my closet that I really love, but it's broken. So meaning that I haven't worn it, I love the piece, it's broken or damaged, but I still have it in my closet. And this piece it has a pin. Don't judge, I did say it was broken. So this is a dress, a maxi dress, and I have had this in my closet for, let me go up and show you, but I've had this in my closet for 6 years. Yeah, so I bought this in 2014. It doesn't fit, if you're wondering. It really doesn't fit me. It's a size small. But this doesn't fit me anymore, unfortunately. But I could have gotten more wear out of it than I did. As a short petite person, it's very hard to find a maxi dress that actually fits you. And it's tall enough where it doesn't touch the floor or you're not prone to falling because you're tripping over the cloth. And you don't have to do some sort of adjustment. And I literally found this dress, tried it on, it fit like glove. You know when you want to say yes to the dress, for those who want to say yes to the dress, you know when you want to say yes to the dress and someone tries on a dress and they're like, oh my god, it's made for me, it's for me, it's for me. Yeah, this was my say yes to the dress moment. And I loved this dress, but it can't fit me anymore because I'm a triple D, and I think at the time I was probably a C. So, and my boobs were popping out of this. But I'm gonna try to insert a picture of when I dressed up in this dress, when I was wearing this dress, for you to see how it looked. But I just loved it. I think I only wore it twice, and the reason why I ended up wearing it twice is because I don't know why I never fixed it, but it's because the hook to lock this in so that the zip doesn't unwind broke, and I lost it. I don't know where it is. So that's the reason why I only got 2 wear out of it. But I just liked looking at it and I was like, oh, this is like memories. And what else about this dress? It's just really nice. I wish I had fixed it though, because I could have gotten more wear out of it. The final thing today that I'm gonna be showing you guys that's in my closet is this shoe, and this is my this is the worst purchase I have made. I'm not even gonna say in the longest while. This is the worst purchase that I've made that's still sitting in my closet to this day. And no, before you even go into it, it's not what you think. It's not because I am so anti-Kardashian. I really could care less. I'm not even into pop culture. And that was not the motivation for buying the shoes either. So, don't. So, backstory with the shoes. I've only worn the shoes twice. I bought it in 2016. I ended up purchasing the shoes because I was watching this YouTuber by the name of Chic Natural. She still does YouTube, and at the time they were doing a lot of, around 2016, Like you had influencers who were, did I say it right? Influencers? It sounds weird when I say it. But you had those YouTubers who were into fashion, and then they would do lookbooks. And I was watching one of her lookbooks, and she had a summer lookbook haul, and she had these Kendall plus Kylie shoes, and I was like, this is awesome, because it looked so good on her foot. So I was like, yo, I need to own me a pair, because this is so cute. And yo, I didn't be hotter than fire. I didn't be hotter than 10 fire, because this is such a cute shoes. So went on Google, found the shoes. I paid a little bit over $100 for the shoes at the time, and I'm trying to remember where I found it, which website. Anyway, but I found it nonetheless. I found it. Paid a little bit over $100 at the time. Shoes came, loved how it looked, tried it on. It was uncomfortable AF. If a shoe doesn't fit, I'm gonna say if the gloves doesn't fit, you must quit. But if the shoe doesn't fit, you must not wear it, right? And yeah, it was mad uncomfortable. So I've only worn it twice, and the events that I went to, I literally was sitting down for the whole entire day. So it looked cute on my foot, but it was just very, very uncomfortable to be in. And that's why it's the worst purchase, because I feel like I've bought other shoes for a lot cheaper, and it's much more comfortable, and I've gotten like more wear out of it. And with this shoes, for some, well, I don't even know, for some strange reason, I just don't think that the shoes was for me. So definitely I will be donating the shoes, because it's still in good condition, and I do think it's a cute shoe. But yeah, worst purchase. worst purchase ever. So that's it for the stuff that's in my closet. Stay tuned to see what the transformation is like, and keep watching. Thank you.